This video is from Study Room on Postal Manual Volume 5. Contains objective questions on Chapter 1 and 2. This is the second series on this. Already we have released one video on this. However, we could not cover entire syllabus of PNT Volume 5 in this video. Hence, we may come up with some more series. Here we have given 25 questions.
If you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe it. It is free and all our new video will be available to you.
Bulk bag is available for dispatch. Receipt of special bag of printed papers to or from addressee or senders in foreign countries except Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan and Pakistan. Option A, special bag. Option B, camp bag. Option C, bulk bag. Option D, registered foreign bag. Correct answer is option B, camp bag. Question number 2. Dash means the duty performed under the orders of higher authority by sorting assistant, mail guard, van peon, porter or other staff of RMS after completion of prescribed term of duty. Option A, extra duty. Option B, honorarium duty. Option C, overtime duty. Option D, special duty. The correct answer is option C, overtime duty. Question number 3. If two late letters posted in letterbox, it will be detained in the post office or mail office till. Option A, he pays late fee. Option B, maximum of 7 days. Option C, till the next dispatch. Option D, maximum of 1 day. The correct answer is option C, till the next dispatch. Question number 4. Bag closed to transmit empty bag to UBO, DBO, CBO is called. Option A, packet bag. Option B, registered packet bag. Option C, empty bag. Option D, transit bag. Correct answer is option A, packet bag. Question number 5. Dash or letters presented at the window of post office or mail office are posted in the letterbox of the mail office after the prescribed hours of closing the mail, but within the interval allowed for posting of such letters with the prescribed late fee affixed in addition to the postage. Option A, late letters. Option B, too late letters. Option C, indeposit letters. Option D, unpaid letters. The correct answer is option A, late letters. Question number 6. Bulk bag should not weigh less than option A, 2 kg, option B, 4 kg, option C, 5 kg, option D, 30 kg. Correct answer is option C, 5 kg. Question number 7. Read the statements. Option A, cash bag is due bag. Option B, special bag is due bag. Options A is correct but B is wrong. Option B, A is wrong but B is correct. Option C, both A and B is correct. Option D, both A and B is wrong. Correct answer is option D, both A and B is wrong. Question number 8. Insured bag is closed for. Option A, insured letters. Option B, exam materials. Option C, special bag. Option D, insured parcel. The correct answer is option D, insured parcel. Question number 9. Dash bag is used to enclose several bags sent to the same office or section, thereby affording protection to them and securing the disposal in transit of only one bag in place of several bags. Option A, packet bag. Option B, registered packet bag. Option C, bulk bag. Option D, transit bag. The correct answer is option D, transit bag. Question number 10. Dash is used to enclose correspondence of the high officers of government. Option A, special bag. Option B, camp bag. Option C, with entry bag. Option C, side entry bag. The correct answer is option A, special bag. Question number 11. Maximum weight of the bulk bag is option A, 50 kg. Option B, 35 kg. Option C, 25 kg. Option D, 30 kg. The correct answer is option D, 30 kg. Question number 12. Dash is used to enclose office file and other official paper and is enclosed by secretary or headquarters of office of the higher officers mentioned in clause 198 of Post Office Guide Part 1 for the higher officer in the camp and vice versa. Option A special bag, option B camp bag, option C with entry bag, option C side entry bag. The correct answer is option B camp bag. Question number 13. Dash are the orders issued by Superintendent of RMS prescribing changes in sorting list. Option A order. Option B order. Option C sorting order. Option D change order. The correct option is option A order. Question number 14. Dash bag is used between a sub-office and its head office to enclose cash bag and articles, document, etc. connected with accounts as well as correspondence unconnected with accounts from head office to one of its sub-office and vice versa. Option A cash bag, option B account bag, option B M bag, option D transit bag. The correct option is option B account bag. Question number 15. Dash is an article which has been anonymously forwarded by an office to an office other than the office of destination or by route other than the prescribed one. Option A misdirected article, option B missorted article, option C missent article, option D missed article. The correct answer is option C missent article. Question number 16. Dash orders issued by the Superintendent RMS for the guidance of the subordinate in performance of their duties in mail office on all subject except alteration in sorting list. Option A order, option B order, option C sorting order, option C change of order. The correct option is option B order. Question number 17. Dash are letters presented at the window of the post office or mail office or posted in letterbox of the mail office after the prescribed hours of closing the mail but within the interval allowed for posting of such letters without the prescribed late fee affixed in addition to the postage. Option A late letters, option B 2 late letters, option C in deposit letters, option D unpaid letters. The correct answer is option B 2 late letters. Question number 18. Bulk bag is also called as option A B bag, option B M bag, option C T bag, option D L bag. The correct answer is option B M bag. Question number 19. Dash article is a vernacular article on which the incorrect destination has been written in English by the Office of Posting. Option A misdirected article, option B missorted article, option C missent article, option D missed article. The correct answer is option A misdirected article. Question number 20. Dash list will show for what office mail bag and register bag are made up, to what office parcel mail article may be sent direct, and the manner in which they must dispatched. Option A due mail list, option B sorting list, option C scheduled list, option C receipt and dispatch list. The correct answer is option B sorting list. Question number 21. The letter T will be prefixed to the letter B in case of B order issued in connection with the disposal of dash article and dash bag for the high officials on tour. Option A special article and special bag, option B camp article and camp bag, option C transit article and transit bag, option D temporary article and temporary bag. The correct answer is option B camp article and camp bag. Question number 22. The expression dash means the documents received and dispatched by set of transit section or mail office as well as abstract and other documents prepared by it while at work. Option A daily order, option B daily docket, option C set report, option D work papers. The correct answer is D work papers. Question number 23. Dash list shows the details of the bags to be received and dispatched by mail office transit section. Option A due mail list, option B Sorting list, option C. Scheduled list, option D. Receipt and dispatch list. Correct answer is option A. Due mail list. Question number 24. The term dash means the arrangement of articles with the address side upwards and the address turned in the same direction. Option A. Addressing, option B. Arranging, option C. Facing, option D. Straightening. The correct answer is option C. Facing. Question number 25. The labeled bundle should not normally contain more than dash to dash letters and postcard. Option A 10 to 14, option B 20 to 25, option C 40 to 50, option D 50 to 60. The correct answer is option D 50 to 60.
If you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe it. It is free and all our new video will be available to you.
Thanks for watching YouTube channel Study Room.